Have you ever wondered how to grow parsley right at home? It's simpler than you might think. And the savings on the stale, store-bought herbs makes growing your own herbs just that much more satisfying. Today I'll walk you through everything you need to know, from planting seeds to picking your first harvest. Plus, I'll show you how to dry and store your homegrown parsley leaves. Welcome back to Calendula's Garden. Make sure to try out our new succession planting tool. It makes planning for consistent harvests all season long much easier. I'll put a link in the description. Alright, back to growing parsley. It's more than a garnish. Parsley is one of the most popular yet underappreciated culinary herbs. It's packed with vitamin A, C, and K, and it turns even simple dishes into something special. Plus, growing it yourself means you'll always have a handful ready for recipes or a quick, healthy snack. There are two main types of parsley, curly leaf and flat leaf, also known as Italian parsley. Curly parsley looks decorative and is great for adding texture to salads, while flat leaf has a bolder taste and is best for cooking. Parsley likes rich, well-draining soil, that soil that holds some moisture but doesn't turn soggy. You can grow it in a garden bed, a window box, or just a medium-sized pot with drainage holes, making it perfect for small spaces or apartments. Plant parsley seeds about a 1/4 inch deep. Space them an inch or two apart if you're direct sowing in their final location. Today I'm starting seeds indoors, so I'm going to sprinkle seeds evenly over the soil and then cover with a 1/4 inch of soil. After watering them in, I'll set them under grow lights for 15 hours a day, and then once the true leaves start to emerge, I'll go ahead and thin them, but save those tiny seedlings for microgreens for a salad. Parsley takes a while to germinate. In medieval folklore, it was said that parsley seeds had to travel to the underworld and back 7 times before they could sprout, which was their way of explaining why parsley seeds take so long to germinate, which is really just 2 to 3 weeks. You can speed up your germination rate by soaking the seeds in warm water for about 12 to 24 hours before planting. This softens the hard outer seed coat and speeds up the sprouting process. I'm sowing dry seed today because my germination racks are pretty full and I could use that 1 to 2 week lull between sprouts to give my plants on the racks time to get ready to go outside. One downside to slow germinators is the soil tends to accumulate fungus gnats. To avoid this, I add BT granules to the potting soil and trays. Now, BT kills the larvae. In order to deal with the adults, sticky traps tend to work really well. I'll add a list of all my supplies in the description. Now, these are full sun plants and they require at least 5 to 6 hours of direct sun. And if you're in a hot climate, parsley plants will benefit from afternoon shade. Our final plant spacing will be 6 to 8 inches apart, as the foliage grows up to 6 to 12 inches high in large mounds. Then in the second year, flower stalks start to form, growing up to 2 feet high. These will attract butterflies and other pollinators. Like many members of the carrot family, parsley is tender as a seedling, so if you live in a cold winter location, plant in spring when the soil is about 50 to 85 degrees. In the hot areas like the low desert where I am, with mild winters, plant in early autumn through May. Fast forward a couple of months and you'll have bushy, beautiful plants ready for the kitchen. But how do you harvest it without harming the plant? The secret is the cut and come again method. Always harvest from the outside of the plant. The new growth happens in the center, so by taking the older outer leaves, you actually encourage the plant to push out more fresh foliage. Never take more than 1/3 of the plant at a time, and it'll keep rewarding you with fresh leaves all season long. Now, what happens when you harvest a lot of parsley and you just can't eat it all fresh? You can preserve it. While you can freeze parsley in olive oil or water, air drying is a wonderful traditional method that concentrates its flavor. To air dry your harvest, gather 5 to 10 stems and tie them together at the base with some twine. Or you can lay the foliage out on wire racks covered with towels, like I've done here. You want to place your parsley in warm, dry, well-ventilated area. Make sure it's out of direct sunlight, which can bleach the leaves and destroy those precious essential oils. Leave them out for about 1 to 2 weeks, or you can use an electric dehydrator on its lowest setting. Follow your dehydrator's instructions, but it usually takes about a day. You'll know when they're ready when the leaves crumble easily between your fingers. Gently strip the dried leaves from the stems, crush them slightly, and store them in an airtight glass container in a cool, dark pantry. Alright, even though the parsley leaves shrunk down quite a bit as they dried out, it looks like we have quite a bit to work with here. Let's see how much we can fit in our 32-ounce glass mason jar. And there you have it, from tiny seed to your spice rack. Growing your own parsley isn't just about saving money at the grocery store. Parsley is incredibly nutrient dense, packed with vitamin C, vitamin K, and powerful antioxidants. Adding a handful of homegrown herbs to your meals is a fantastic way to boost your health while enjoying the unbeatable flavor of something you nurtured yourself. Here's parsley in bloom. It can become an impromptu pollinator in boosting the productivity of your garden vegetable plants. I highly encourage you to give parsley a try this season. Have you had success growing herbs on a windowsill or in your backyard? Let me know your favorite gardening tips in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy to follow gardening tips. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.